Miss Cates is going to start recording. So if you could please mute your microphones, we'll go ahead and get started with our lesson. So today, we're on lesson 33. I can solve subtraction problems using numbers to 10. Oh, we haven't done subtraction in a little while. Now remember, when we do a subtraction sentence, we kind of change the way we label that sentence. Let's remind ourselves of that. So when we use a subtraction problem, and I have a number bond, of course, in my number bond, I have my whole and my two parts, right? Well, when I write a subtraction sentence with mystery boxes, your whole goes by in the first box by the equal sign. That's where your whole goes. Then, whatever part you're taking away, that part goes next. And the part that's left over is last. Let's remember that because that's different from an addition sentence. So I just wanted to remind us of that. Okay, now we're going to play a fun game. I want everyone to please stand up. Be careful of your headphones. We're going to play a game called 1, 2, 3, sit on 10, 20, and 30. We're going to play a fast counting game. Each person says the next 3 numbers. So if I say...
Miss Kate, we played this.
Yep,
We played this before.
We have. I'm just reminding us of the rules. So if I say 21, 22, 23... Who can raise their hand and tell me what the next person will say? I said 21, 22, 23. The next person will say what, Ryan?
24, 25, 26.
Perfect. 24, 25, 26. Then what'll the next person say, Anya?
27, 28, 29.
The next person after that will only say 30. The next person after that will only say 30. And can you guess what they have to do when they say 30? What are you going to have to do when you say 30? Jonian?
Sit down.
You sit down. Excellent. So by the end of the game, everyone will be sitting. All right, we're going to start with 1, 2, and 3. Here we go. I'm going to call on friends. Let me put my screen onto a large gallery view, and I'm going to call on some friends. Jonian, we're going to start with you. Jonian, we're starting with 1. Say
1, 2, 3.
All right, very good. Ryan, you're next.
4, 5, 6.
Great. Nicole, you're next.
7, 8, 9.
Alan, what do you say? Oh, Alan's not listening. Grant, what do we say after 9?
10, 11, 12.
No, you just do 10 and you sit down. 10, sit down. So Grant sits down on 10. Okay. Now we'll go to Anya. What comes after 10? The next 3 numbers.
11, 12, 13.
Good. Russell, you're next.
14, 15, 16.
Excellent. Estelle, you're next.
17, 18, 19.
All right, DJ. What comes after 19?
20.
20. You sit down. DJ sits down. All right, Smriti, what comes after 20? Say the next three numbers.
21, 22, 23.
Good. Carolyn.
24, 25, 26.
Good. Austin.
27, 28, 29.
Jonyan, what are you?
30.
30. So you sit down. Ryan, say the next three numbers after. Oh no, 30. After 30. Sorry, Ryan. You go back to 1. Start
1,
over.
2, 3.
Okay. Alan. Oh, Alan wasn't there. Grant, what comes after 1, 2, 3? Tell me the next three numbers.
4, 5, 6.
Okay. Anya.
7, 8, 9.
Nicole.
10.
10. So you sit down. All right. Russell, what comes after 10?
12, 11, 12, 13.
Good. Estelle.
14, 15, 16.
Good. DJ's already sitting down. Smriti.
17, 18, 19.
Good. Carolyn, what comes after 19?
20.
20. You sit down. Austin, what comes after 20?
21, 22, 23.
Good. Now, Ryan, what comes after that?
24, 25, 26.
Good. Grant, what comes after 26?
27, 28, 29.
Good. Anya, what comes after 29?
30.
30. So you sit down. Nicole. Oh, you're already sitting, Nicole. Russell, start with 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Good. Estelle.
4, 5, 6.
Good. Smriti. 7.
7, 8, 9.
Good. Austin. 10. Austin sitting down. All right, Ryan. What comes after 10?
11, 12, 13.
Good. Grant. What comes after 13?
14, 15, 16.
Good.
And 15.
No, that you had it right. 16. Russell, what comes after 16?
17, 18, 19.
Good. Nicole. Not Nicole, I'm sorry. Estelle.
20.
20. Estelle sits down. Okay, Smriti. What comes after 20?
21, 22, 23.
Ryan.
24, 25, 26.
Grant.
27, 28, 29.
Russell.
30.
30. So you sit down on 30. Good job, Russell. Okay. Smriti, start with 1.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ryan.
4, 5, 6.
Grant?
7, 8, 9.
Smriti? What comes after 9?
10.
10. Sit down. Okay, Ryan. What comes after 10?
11, 12, 13.
Grant? What comes after 13?
14, 15, 16.
Ryan?
17, 18, 19.
Grant? 20.
20.
Yep. So our winner is Ryan. He's the last one standing. Good job. Okay, so that was a fun activity. Now,
Ryan.
good job. I know.
Good job.
It just so happens to be how it is.
Good job. Good job, Roy.
Everyone's so sweet. Okay, let's all mute our microphones. Everyone mute. And we're gonna, yes.
I didn't know when I'm late for this class. I didn't know when this game
Started. It's okay, you got to play. All right, mute your microphone and we are going to watch Miss
What is the material?
Oh, she's gonna tell us. Let's listen carefully, okay? Mute your microphone and let's
Okay.
carefully listen.
Okay.
All right.
Hello, mathematicians. I'm Mrs. Chandrasekhar. Together, we'll be solving take-from problems. Let's get started. For today's lesson, you'll need your whiteboard, dry erase marker, lesson template put in to your whiteboard, and 10 linking cubes.
Okay, so you don't, yeah, hang on, Carolyn. Mute your microphone. You do not, if you didn't have this, if you didn't tear this page out, I'll tell you what page it is. It's on page, hang on and I'll tell you. 147, page 147, it's right here. And all you have to do is gently tug on it and it comes right out. Then you can take this paper and put it,
What's the number again?
page 147. And you can,
147. Okay.
okay, honey. And then you can slide it inside your whiteboard. And then you just need 10 cubes and a dry erase marker. And that's all you have to have.
I don't have that template paper.
It's okay, you can draw it out.
To put it in.
It's okay, it's in your book, honey. It's on page 147. It's in your book.
This page?
Yes.
I have not linking cubes.
Okay, well, you can draw if you don't have 10 small objects to count with. All right, friends, I'm gonna go ahead and push play.
Pause the video to find your materials and press play once you found them. Friends, let's put on our imagination hats. With our imagination hats on, we know that these aren't just cubes. These are bears. Pause the video to place 9 bears or cubes in 5 group rows like this.
Okay, so go ahead and get your small objects that you're counting with. And you're gonna place them on your whiteboard mat. and 5 group rows just like she did. If you don't have any objects, you can draw with your dry erase marker circles.
Okay.
Yes, Nicole.
If I don't have that sheet, I use this shoe like this.
Okay, that's okay. That's a good idea. All right, good job, Ryan. Stick that inside your dry erase board and you guys can get started. Go ahead and put when you've got your 9 cubes out the 5 group way, give me a thumbs up so that I know you're ready and I don't leave someone behind. Thank you, DJ and Russell and Jonyan. Estelle, thank you. Ryan, Anya, Landon, Nicole, excellent. All right.
We have a family of 9 bears. One bear is hungry and wants to go to the honey tree. Let's show that by taking one bear and moving him to the side, like this. 8 bears are left. How many bears are in the hole?
Ooh, show me with your fingers. How many bears are there in the hole? That means all together. How many bears are there? All together with your fingers. Okay. I'm seeing some different things. Some people are showing me 8, but some people are showing me 9. I wonder what it is. Let's listen to Miss Emily.
Think. Say it. Yes, 9 bears are in the hole.
Okay, so she circled all together. Even though she moved one cube to the side, it's still a part of the whole. All right.
There are 9 bears all together. Now, what are the 2 parts? Think.
Okay, so show me on your fingers just this part right here. Show me on your fingers this part. Awesome. Now show me on your fingers this part. Excellent.
Say it. Yes. The 2 parts are 1 and 8. 1 bear left to go to the honey tree, and there were 8 bears still at home. 9, 1, 8.
Let's do that together.
Part. Let's do the number bond with our arms all together. Arms up. Ready, go. 9, 1, 8. Great job, friends. We just did the number bond with our arms. Now, let's write it. So let's get our marker and write our number bond. So first, let's draw our hole. So we can draw 9 as the hole and a circle around. And then we have to draw our arms. We can draw arms to the side. One arm here, another arm over here. Each arm has a circle. And our 2 parts we said are 1 and 8. 9, 1, 8. Now that we've done a number bond, first with our arms, then written down, last, let's figure out a number sentence. in our story, did we add more bears or did we take some bears away?
Ooh, show me with your arms. If we were adding bears, do like this. If we were taking some away, do like this. Very good. It looks like most of my friends say that we took some away. Can you say how many we took away? Awesome. One was taken away. Let's see what Miss Emily says.
Think. Say it. That's right, we took some bears away. So since we took some bears away, we're going to make a takeaway or subtraction number sentence. So let's look at our template. What number should go in the first blank?
Oh.
Think.
So, what number in our number bond is going to go in the first blank? Is it going to be a whole or a part? Show me. Show me. Is it going to be a whole or the part in the first blank? DJ, what does that mean, your two hands? Is it a whole or is it a part? What's going to go in the first blank? Show me whole or show me part? Not 10. Yeah. Looks like most of us are showing that the whole goes in the first blank, the number 9. Let's see if we're right.
Say it. Yes, we should write 9 in the first blank. 9 is our whole, and in subtraction sentences, we always start with our whole. So let's get our marker and write 9 in the first blank. So here's our first blank, and the number 9. Now we have our takeaway or minus sign. That tells us it's a subtraction sentence. And our next blank. What number should go in this blank? Think.
Show me with your fingers the number that you think goes in our second blank. Show me with your fingers the number you think goes there. Is it going to be 8 or is it going to be 1? Show me. Nicole, that's 5. Oh, you're showing me your fingers. I'm seeing a lot of friends show me 1. Let's see if they're right.
I'm thinking about our story, and I can even see it here with my cubes. That how many bears went away? Show me with your fingers.
Oh, we just did that.
That's right, only 1 bear went away. So we'll write 1 in the next blank. Now here's our equal sign. Equals means is the same as. 9 take away 1 is the same as or equals what? Think. Say it. Yes, 8. 9 take away 1 is the same as 8. Let's write 8. Nine take away 1 is the same as 8. 9 minus 1 equals 8. Let's say our number sentence all together like that. Ready? Go. 9 minus 1 equals 8. We started with 9, we took away 1, and there are 8 left all together. Great job, friends. Now let's erase our boards.
Okay, erase, erase, erase. Erase it really quick. Move your materials to the side so you can erase your board.
Are your boards erased yet? Good. Now let's take out one more cube to make 10 in 5 group rows.
Okay, give me a thumbs up once you've made 10 in 5 group rows. 5 on top and 5 on bottom, on top of your work mat, just like this. If you don't have small objects, draw a picture. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you, Smriti. Thank you, DJ. Thank you, Anya, Carolyn, Ryan, Jonyan. Looks like we're all ready.
Pause the video if you need more time to erase your boards and make 10 in 5 group rows. Now, with our imagination hats, we can see that these aren't cubes, these are cars. So you have 10 cars parked in a parking lot, but 9 of those cars drive away. 1 car is left. Let's show that by taking 9 cars. Here's 5, and here's 4. 9 cars all together, and putting them to the side. We started with 10, 9 cars drove away, and we have 1 car left. Let's show that in a number sentence. So let's look at our template, and let's look at the first blank. What number should go in the first blank?
Okay, show me with your fingers. What number goes in the first blank? You can show me whole or part, or you can show me the number with your fingers. So I'm seeing a lot of friends show me the whole, which is what number? What number is the whole? 10. Let's see if we're right.
Think. Say it. Yes, we should write the number 10 in the first blank because 10 is our whole. It's the number we started with, and we always start with our whole in a subtraction sentence. So let's get our marker and write 10. Next we have our takeaway or minus sign. How many cars drove away?
Show with your fingers. How many cars drove away? We know this is one of the parts, but we need to show it with our fingers. How many cars drove away? You guys are great listeners. I see most of my friends showing that 9 cars drove away. Let's see if we're right.
Say it. Yes, 9 cars drove away. So we'll write 9 in this blank. Next we have the equals sign, which means is the same as. 10 take away 9 is the same as what? How many cars were left? Think.
How many cars were left? Show me with your fingers. How many cars were left? 24? No. How many cars were left? Show me with your finger. Yes. 1. 1 little car is left.
Say it. That's right. 1 car was left. We can see it on our boards right here. So we'll write the number 1. 10 take away 9 is the same as 1. We can also say it like this. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Let's say it like that all together. Ready? Go.
10 minus 9 equals 1.
10 minus 9 equals 1. 10, 9, 1. Whole, part, part. Great job, friends. let's erase our boards.
Erase, erase, erase. Erase your board nice and clean.
Now, let's put 7 cubes in 5 group rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't need these cubes anymore. Our 7 cubes are now trains. 4 of your trains drive away. Pause the video and show the story with your cubes. You have 7 trains and 4 of your trains drive away.
Okay, so do what you need to do to show that your 4 trains drove away. Fix it on your work mat now. Show that 4 trains drove away. Give me a thumbs up when you've moved your trains to show that they moved away. Very good.
Now, let's write a number sentence about our story. Let's look at our template and think, what number would go in each blank? Where does the whole go? Where do the 2 parts go? Pause the video and complete the number sentence.
Okay, once you've completed your number sentence, hold it up to the screen and let me take a look. That means if your camera's off, you should turn it on so that I can see. Go ahead and write your number sentence. Think about the whole and the 2 parts. Ooh, excellent, Carolyn. Thank you. Very good, Nicole. Very good, Estelle. Yay, Jonyan and Ryan. Very good. Yay, Anya. Here, DJ, turn it a little so I can see. There you go, DJ. Great job. Okay, let's push play and check our answer.
Now let's look at our number sentence. How did you know where to put each number in your...
Yes.
For her writing, it just appeared on the screen.
I know. That's just how it works. Okay, so here's her question. How did you know where to put each number in your number sentence? How do we know that? Who can raise their hand and tell me? Russell, how did you know where to put each number?
-7 is in whole, and it's -4, and it equals 3.
Okay, so you know that in a subtraction sentence, we always start with the whole. Then our next number is always what we took away. And our last number is what is left over. Good job.
Our number sentence. Pause the video and tell a friend in the room how you knew where to put each number. Or, if there's no one in the room, you can pick up your imaginary telephones.
Okay.
It's now time to show what you've learned.
Good job. Now, you can clear off your whiteboard, erase, 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 erase it nice and clean. Make sure that your lid is tight on that marker, and you put those in their proper place because we don't want to lose them. We may use this number template again, this subtraction template, so just leave it inside your whiteboard. Then you can get out your handy dandy math book and turn to page 145. And I'm going to write that on the board. Page 145. It's going to be towards the back of your book. This is page 146. It's on the back. when you have your book open and a pencil ready, give me a double thumbs up so that I know we're ready to go and I'm not leaving anyone behind. Good job, Smriti. Estelle, Carolyn, DJ, Ryan, Jonyan, Nicole, Russell. All right, looks like we're good to go. Okay, fill in the number sentence to match the story. There were 7 trains. 2 trains rolled away. Now there are 5 trains. What should I do to help me solve this problem? Raise your hand if you can help me. Nicole?
You have to color some red.
No, not with this one. There were 7 trains. 2 trains rolled away. Now there are 5. What do you think I need to do to my picture?
I think you just have to cross them out.
Cross out how many? How many trains rolled away? Let me read it to you again. Yes. There were 7 trains, 2 rolled away. Now there are 5. What's my first blank gonna say? Show me the number with your fingers. What am I gonna put in the first blank? Show me. Russell's showing me. Yeah, I'm gonna put 7. I'm gonna put my whole 7 because we started out with 7 trains. What am I gonna put in the next blank? Show me your fingers to show me the number. What number goes in the next blank? 2, right? Because 2 rolled away. And how many were left? Show me. Good job. 5 trains were left. I have my whole, my part that I crossed out, and my part that's left. If it helps you, you can always label your number sentences where your whole is the first, before the minus sign, then the part that was taken away and the part that's left. That might help you in labeling. Okay, let's look here. There were 9 cars at the stop sign. 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left. What do I need to do to my picture? Can someone raise their hand and help me? Carolyn.
Can you say it again?
There were 9 cars at the stop sign. 7 drove away. There are 2 cars left. What do I need to do to my picture to help me with my number sentence?
Cross out 7 cars.
Excellent. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Am I ready to fill in my number sentence now?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Who can raise their hand and tell me what you put for your number sentence? Ryan, read the number sentence to me.
9 minus 7 equals 2.
Excellent, Ryan. you knew that our whole, we started out with 9 cars. The part that we took away were 7, and all that was left were 2. I want you to do this one by yourself. I'm going to read it to you, but you're going to do the whole problem by yourself. There were 10 people. 6 people got on the bus. Now there are 4 people. Go ahead and fix your picture and write your number sentence. When you're finished, raise your hand and I'll call on you. Yes, Jonyan.
I'm already finished.
Okay, then patiently
45.
Patiently raise your hand. All right. I see a few friends whose pencils are still moving, so we'll give them a minute. Jonyan, what do I need to do to the people in my picture? There were 10 people, 6 people got on the bus, now there are 4 people.
You have to write 10.
No, before that, what do I do to my picture?
You X out 6.
I need to cross out 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How did you know to cross out 6, Jonyan?
Because it said 6 people got on the bus.
Very good. Now, can you read the number sentence to me that you wrote?
Okay, 10 minus 6 equals 4.
10 minus 6 equals 4. We have our whole first, which is 10, minus the part that we took away, and the part that's left is our total or our answer. Let's look here at this story. We're going to do it together. Turn your page to the back on page 146. The directions say, draw the story and fill in the number sentence to match. I'm going to use circles for my drawing. The bus had 10 people. 5 people got off. Now there are 5 people left. What's my first step? What's my first step? Nicole, what's my first step?
You first draw 10 people, then cross out 5 of them, and then there's 5 more left.
Okay, so what way did Miss Emily draw the 10 people? How did she draw them? Or when she drew hers, she drew them the what way? Carolyn?
The 5 group way.
The 5 group way. It makes things a lot easier. So 10 people were on the bus and 5 people got off. So I need to show that 5 people are no longer on the bus. Now there are 5 people left. Who would like to raise their hand and tell me the number sentence. Landon.
10 minus 5 equals 5.
Excellent, Landon. I know my whole is 10. The part that I took away were 5, and that still left me with 5. Go ahead, let's look at the bottom picture. You're gonna do this one, or the bottom question, all by yourself. We're not gonna go over it, but I will stay on in case you have a question. Let me read it to you. There were 9 planes in the sky. 3 planes landed. Now, there are 6 planes in the sky. Draw a picture to go with this. Don't forget to cross off, and then write your number sentence. If you are okay and feel like you can do this, you can go ahead and sign off. If you'd like to stay on in case you have a question, do that, but if you sign off, do it silently because friends are working. Landon, what's your question?
Can you read me the
sentence again?
Yes, and also I want to do this like at the end of the call.
Sure. Okay, so the number sentence says, or the story problem, there were 9 planes in the sky. So you don't have to try to draw an airplane. I would draw a square or circles or something simple. 3 planes landed. Now there are 6 planes in the sky. Okay. Go ahead and try to work it out, and then at the end, Landon, you can hold it up and we'll talk about it. If you guys are good, you can silently sign off.
Bye, Steph. See you at our call.
Shh, girls, go ahead. What's your question, Nicole?
Can I show you how I draw those airplanes? I draw real good.
Hold
like
it
an
up.
airplane.
Hold it up so I can see. Oh, that's great. Now, don't forget to show how many you crossed. Oh, you did. Excellent. You did show how many you crossed.
I did the window too.
That's really good,
I didn't
Nicole.
actually finish it yet because I've been talking to it.
Very good. Mute your microphone. Yes, Carolyn?
This morning on small group, I did not see the links. Can I join tomorrow's?
Yes. Come to small group C tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, today I didn't even see it too. Can I tomorrow come to see?
Yes, Nicole, you can. All right, good job, Landon. That is perfect. You did an awesome job. Great job, friends. Bye-bye.
Bye.